how to install manually SSL certificates on Namecheap, step by step for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be quickly walking ourselves through how you can install your SSL certificates in the easiest way possible. So to do this, you're going to come on namecheap.com/support, and over there, you're going to obviously search up how to install SSL certificates because that is where they're going to allow you. So once you're over here it says SSL certificate installation is typically performed by the hosting company that provides services for the domain. However, you may also choose an install and certificate for yourself. So this is your manual installation. So once you come over here, you're going to select your server type from the list down below. Okay. So, there's tons and tons of servers. There's Sonic Wall, XAMP, Citrix, SiteWorks. There's Direct Admin, West SCP. There's the Mac OS, Webmin, there Node.js. I'm going to go with Node.js, typically because it's mostly over this. And once you go into your Node.js to manually download it, you're going to import some certificate files into your application. So, if you're in Node.js, definitely you're using JavaScript. So once you go into your JavaScript, basically you're going to copy these lines of code and you're going to add these lines of code into your SSL guide. And once you've added it into your SSL guide, you're going to add multiple SCA certificate files. And what that will do is it will give you an SSL certificate over here in your Node app.js. So yeah, basically that is how you're going to allow to get an SSL certificate. Just add all these codes. And once you've added all these necessary codes into your coder, that, as you can see over here, gives you the status code with the SSL law and certificate. So yeah, it's a lengthy process, a lengthy step. That's why you can copy all the codes from the Namecheap site domain. But yeah, that is how you're gonna get a SSL certificate manually. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.